Assalamu alaikum, all GSM friend. Today's subject TECNO CI8n MDM remote just flashing 100% trusted. Okay, next TECNO C16 MDM remote just flashing 100% trusted. Okay, no problem. Next C17n MDM remote just flashing 100% trusted. Next TECNO C18n MDM remote just flashing 100% trusted. Hello GSM friend, this is my YouTube channel. At first it moment first time, and your subscriber like and comment many Facebook share, and my file 100% trusted, no confuse. This file any DSM client order. Now I am your flashing the successfully MDM remove, and next your Google and YouTube channel post, and only for GSM friend I am ready only for you 24 hours service. This file any problem, hang logo, date mode, repair, any solution, now, no confuse, just help me this email number and WhatsApp number. You understand? This file tested, okay, no confuse. This file tested MDM remove, and any client order and working file next your post. My video no skip, just full running, and last moment. Now see where your file link, just description no link, and comment box. Now see comment box. I am very confused. Comment box no link. Just wait, no confuse. At first any browser open and Google now. Google search now. The right now the Barsha mobile. Be just now see Barsha mobile and click now. Any order, listen to me, add your file, just blogger site, this Barsha mobile, and Barsha mobile and open site. Okay, this link it, no link it, any problem, just blogger site and confuse. Open, please wait and see. Just blogger site is opening. Any file you need, many file. How, where file? No confuse. Just blogger site and search now. This model, no name mobile. This model was C16. Any model, just search now. Just your search. Okay, now see. Okay, no problem. Okay, clear. Just and home button, any such many file. Okay, just search now. Okay, if you C17, just search many file. Okay, now see. Okay, C1I7. Okay, no problem. Any confuse? Just H57, F67. Any model name see. Okay. Now see home button again. Any model. TECNO C16. TECNO TECNO C16. Okay. Okay, just model and click. Now see up down the mouse. Okay, this download this file 100% tested and working now. No confuse. I am promised this file 100% tested. This SIM number and WhatsApp number. 24-hour service. Okay, this 24-hour service. WhatsApp number. Chat now. Good night.